Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews. Out at my favorite park. Yes, this is the new mobile G3 Plus. I'm out here filming it, testing out the cameras. Now this is shooting in 1080p, 30 frames per second. That's the only option I have besides 720p. I can't shoot in 4K at 30. I wish they had that on here, but it's not an option. But y'all let me know, how do I sound? How's the mics on this phone? And how does the video look? So I'm gonna start walking. Look at the fire hydrant. But y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. Yes, I'm testing out the cameras. Let's zoom in. That's the most I can zoom. What y'all think about that? How does it look? It was a little shaky, but y'all definitely let me know how everything looks and sounds. To me, by what I'm seeing on the phone, it looks pretty good. But until you get into a bigger screen, you won't really know. Will you be happy with these cameras? That's the question that you have to answer yourself. Is it worth the 200 bucks? I don't know. What I'm seeing on the phone looks pretty good. But I'm going to come back with 720 in just a moment. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is 720p on the new mobile G3 Plus. Y'all let me know how I sound. How does the video look? To me, it looks pretty good. Look, slow pan of the sky. Yes, I'm in Texas. It's almost like 70 degrees today. Couple clouds in the sky, but not many. But again, you buying this phone, could you live with these cameras? Are they really shaky? I can't really tell on walking, but y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Look at the grass. Actually, it looks pretty good to what I'm seeing. Yes, that grass is still green in Texas. It just actually rained last night. But again, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Let's go into look at my shadow. Yes, I'm just holding the cameras out talking. Yes, I'm at my famous park. But what y'all think about it? Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. I'm gonna come back and do the front facing cameras. Let's see what that can do. But until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing camera on the new mobile G3 Plus. What y'all think about it? Y'all let me know. Look, there's the sun. Trying to get the best picture. It looks like it's right here. But y'all let me know how I look, how do I sound. Can you actually use this camera for vlogging yourself? One thing I noticed is that you can only shoot in 720p. So there's no 1080p on the front cameras, that's kind of a bummer, I guess. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Is it a deal breaker? I don't really vlog that much or take front facing video. So to me, not the biggest of deals. But I just have to point it out for my subscribers. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Look at the sky. Sky doesn't look too washed out. It actually looks pretty good. The colors look really good on the phone. But stay tuned. I'm actually going to go outside at nighttime and shoot some video in 1080p, you know, just to see how the nighttime videos come out. So stay tuned for that. Until next time, peace. Okay everyone, so this is a nighttime video on the new mobile G3 Plus. Yes, it's a little windy out here. Y'all let me know if y'all can hear the wind and my voice. How's the audio? I noticed during the daytime, the mics, when I was watching back the video, the mics was not that great on this phone. But what y'all think about it? Y'all let me know. Look, slow pan. Could y'all actually use this camera at nighttime? I don't know. Y'all let me know. I think it actually looks okay. Yes, I'm under the light, so it does bring in some light. Look at the rocks. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I think overall the cameras are pretty good on this phone. The mics do need some work. I'm not gonna lie. Or the mic. I think it only has one mic. That might be the problem. Look at the building. But y'all definitely let me know what y'all think about it. Maybe on an E4 they can actually put a couple more mics on this phone, but right now, you know, it's not horrible. But y'all gonna definitely let me know what y'all think about it in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. Look, there's my famous Big Lots. Again, the dirt. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the whole video. Did the photos come out good to you? Could you actually use this camera as your everyday camera? That's what I want to know. Let's get a discussion going. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews and Facebook at Forbes Tech Reviews. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.